nutritious and filling dish that is perfect for a healthy lunch or dinner. To make it, cook quinoa according to package instructions and mix with black beans, chopped vegetables like red onion and bell pepper, and a simple vinaigrette made with lime juice and olive oil. Serve the salad on a bed of lettuce or spinach for a healthy and colorful dish. Eggplant Parmesan. Eggplant parmesan is a classic Italian dish that is both hearty and delicious. To make it, slice eggplant into rounds and coat with breadcrumbs and Parmesan cheese. Bake the eggplant until it is crispy and golden brown, and layer the slices in a baking dish with tomato sauce and mozzarella cheese. Bake the dish in the oven until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Serve with a side of pasta for a satisfying and comforting meal. 10. Roasted vegetable grain bowl. Roasted vegetable grain bowls are a healthy and delicious way to showcase a variety of vegetables and grains. To make it, roast a variety of vegetables like sweet potatoes, Brussels sprouts, and carrots in the oven until they are tender and caramelized. Cook quinoa or another grain according to package instructions and mix with the roasted vegetables. Drizzle with a simple vinaigrette made with olive oil and lemon juice, and top with sliced avocado, nuts, or seeds for added texture and flavor. In conclusion, there are many DIY delicious and beautiful vegetarian dishes that are easy to make and sure to impress. From rainbow veggie skewers to roasted vegetable grain bowls, these dishes showcase the vibrant colors and flavors of plant-based ingredients. By experimenting with different vegetables, grains, and seasonings, it is possible to create a variety of delicious and visually appealing vegetarian dishes that are both healthy and satisfying. Creating delicious and beautiful vegetarian dishes at home. For those looking to incorporate more plant-based meals into their diet, cooking vegetarian dishes at home offers an opportunity to make food that is both tasty and visually appealing. With some simple techniques and ingredients, you can create vegetarian entrees, sides, salads, and even desserts that not only satisfy the appetite but also delight the eyes. Here are some tips for preparing delicious and beautiful vegetarian dishes right in your own kitchen. Experiment with colors. One of the easiest ways to make vegetarian meals more aesthetically pleasing is by incorporating a variety of colorful fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Use an assortment of red peppers, tomatoes, and beets, yellow summer squash and corn, green zucchini, asparagus, and peas, purple cabbage and eggplant, carrots in orange and yellow shades, crisp garnishes like basil, parsley, and chives. Try arranging the produce in a rainbow pattern on the plate or mixing and matching different hues for visual appeal. Create contrasting textures. Textural contrast can make vegetarian dishes more interesting both to eat and to look at. Play with. Smooth hummus or baba ganoush alongside frizzled kale chips. Fluffy rice alongside crispy smashed potatoes. Steamed broccoli florets paired with roasted broccoli stems. Soft-cooked lentils topped with crunchy fried shallots. Thin rice noodles nestled into a julienne stir-fry. Add garnishes like chopped nuts, seeds, or coconut to provide crunch. Roast and grill vegetables. High-heat methods like roasting and grilling vegetables concentrates their natural sugars, caramelizing the exterior for enhanced color. Flavor and visual appeal in vegetarian dishes.